Hello everyone, Computer Architecture and Annotation MCQ. Which method is representation of number of occupies a large amount of memory than the others? Option A, sign magnitude. Which representation is most efficient to perform arithmetic operation on the numbers? Option C, 2's complement. Which method of representation has two representation of 0? Option A, sign magnitude. When we perform subtraction on -7 and 1, the answer is 2's complement form is option D is the correct answer. Option D. When we perform subtraction on -7 and -5, the answer in 2's complement form is option B. Option B is the correct answer. When they subtract -3 from 2, the answer is 2's complement form is option C. The processor keeps track of result of its operation using flag called option A, conditional code flags. Option A is the correct answer. The register used to store the flags is called option B, status register. Option B, status register. Most efficient method followed by computer to multiply two unsigned number is option B, bit per recording of multiplier. Bit per recording of multiplier is the correct answer. For the addition of large integer, most of the system makes use of option C, carry loop hard adder. In normal n-bit adder, to find out if an overall has occurred, we make use of option D, XOR gate. In the implementation of multiplier circuit, in the system we can make use of option C, shift register. Shift register. In the implementation of multiplier circuit in the system, we make use of shift register. When 1101 is used to divide, the remainder is option D, 1. The product of 1101 and 1011 is option A is the correct answer. We make use of dash circuit to implement multiplication. Option C, fast adders. The multiplier is stored in option B, shift register. The dash is used to coordinate the operation of the multiplier. Option C, control sequencer. The multiplication and the control signal are passed through the n-bit adder via option A, mux multiplexer. The product of -13 and 11 is option B. Option B is the correct answer. The method used to reduce the maximum number of summons by the of is option B, bit per recording. The bit 1 and 1 are recorded as option D, both -1 and 0 in bit per recording. The multiplier -6, 11010 is recorded as option A, 0, -1, -2 is the correct answer. Next question, CSA stands for option A, computer speed addition. CSA stands for computer speed addition. Next question, the heart of the processor which perform many different operations. Option A, arithmetic and logic unit. Option A is the correct answer. ALU is the place where the actual execution of instruction take place during the processing operation. Option A is the correct answer. True. Which of the following is not a bitwise operator? Option C, dot. The sign magnitude representation of -1 is option D, 1001. Option D, 1001 is the correct answer. Next question, IEEE stands for option D, Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Option D, Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineer. The ALU gives the output of the operation and the output is stored in option B, registers. The process of division on memory spaces is called option B, segmentation. Number of bits in ALU is option C, 16. Which flag indicates a number of 1 bit that result from operation? Option B, parity. Next question, bitwise complement of 0 is option C. Which of the following is used for binary multiplication? Option B, Booth's algorithm. one extra bit is added on the left of binary number. In case of binary multiplication using Booth algorithm, option A, true is the correct answer. The result of 11001 by 3 bits will be option A, 01000. Option A is the correct answer. Booth algorithm is applied on option B, binary numbers. If Booth multiplication is performed on the number 22 into 3, then what is 3 refers to as? Option D, multiplier. What is the default value of accumulator in Booth's multiplication of two 4-bit binary numbers? Option D is the correct answer. What is the value of n multiplication of? Option C, 3. Option C, 4. 4 is the correct answer. Option C, 4. What will be the value obtained after multiplication of -2 into -3 using Booth algorithm? Option A, 6 is the correct answer. What does the data transfer instruction STS stands for? Option A, store accumulator. What is the ones complement of 11010? Option D is the correct answer. 2's complement is obtained by adding 1 to 1's complement of number. Option A, true. Operator is used to denote. Option B, right shift. The subtraction using 1's complement 110 minus 110 subtraction 100 will give the result C. 1. Option C is the correct answer. 0 1 0. The result obtained on subtraction using 2's complement of 1 1 1 1 subtraction 0 0 1 0 will be option C is the correct answer. 1 1 0 1 is the correct answer. The 1's complement of is option A is the correct answer. 1.010 is the correct answer. Perform binary addition of 1101 plus 1101 addition 0010 is option B. The addition 1 plus 1 gives 0 as result. Option A, true is the correct answer. The result of 0 into 1 is binary is option A, 0. The multiplication of 110 into 111 is performed. What is the general term used for 111? Option D, multiplier. The result obtained on binary multiplication of 1010 into 1100 is option D. Option D is the correct answer. Which of the following is often called the double precision format? Option A, 64-bit. What do we call the intermediate terms in binary multiplication? Option C, partial products. The number of sign bit is 32-bit IEEE format is option A, 1. Express the decimal format of the signed binary number. Option D, -10 is the correct answer. Option D, -10. Restoring division algorithm which restore both the quotient and remainder. Option A, Q quotient, A remainder. Q quotient, A remainder is the correct answer. Option A. In part of processor, adder are used to calculate. Option D, all of the mentioned addresses, table indices, increment and decrement operators. All the answers are right. So option D is the correct answer. All of the mentioned. Total number of inputs in the half adder is option A, 2. In which operation carry is obtained? Option B, addition. If A and B are input of an half adder, the sum is given by option C, A XOR B. If A and B are inputs of the half adder, the carry is given by option A and B. Half adder have a major limitation in the cannot, option C, accept a carry bit from a previous stage. The difference between half adder and full adder is option C. Half adder has 2 inputs while full adder has 3 inputs. Half adder has 2 inputs, full adder has 3 inputs. That is the difference between half adder and full adder. If A, B and C are inputs of the full adder, then the sum is given by option C, A XOR B XOR C. Option C is the correct answer. A XOR B XOR C. If A, B and C are input for full adder, then carry is given by option A is the correct answer. A and B are A or B and C. Option A is the correct answer. A and B are A or B and C. How many AND or XOR gates are required for configuration of full adder? Option B is the correct answer. 2, 1, 2. Next question. The basic building block of arithmetic unit in digital computer are option B adders. Option B adders. Next question. A digital system consists of dash. Option A two type of circuits. All logic operation can be obtained by means of option D is the correct answer. NAND and NOR operation. Next question. The design of an ALU is based on option B combinational logic. Option B combinational logic is the correct answer. The flag between the ALU is defined as option B the status bit conditions. Option B is the correct answer. Just to go through all the questions. All questions are very important. What is the difference between off adder and full adder? Off adder have 2 inputs, full adder has 3 inputs. That is the difference between off adder and full adder. If A and B, C are inputs for full adder, then sum is given by C. A XOR B XOR C. If option C is the correct answer. If A, B and C are input for full adder, then the carry is given by option A is the correct answer. A and B are A or B and C. What is the difference between off adder and full adder? Option C is the correct answer. Off adder has 2 inputs while full adder has 3 inputs. That is the difference between off adder and full adder.